Hello everyone, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to introduce you the wet and dry vacuum cleaner by VACMASTER VQ1220PF. This vacuum has 1250 watt strong motor, and the capacity for this vacuum cleaner is 20 liters and can take up to 18 kPa suction power. Okay, so let's talk about the design for this vacuum cleaner. So it has a sturdy quick clip tank, latches for easy tank locking and emptying. It has a large top-mounted on-off switch. So I'm gonna explain to you a bit. This cloth filter can be washed, and this foam filter can be washed as well. VACMASTER has a smart design on this, which is all the onboard accessories can be storage at here, all the corners. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you how to put